Welcome to this lecture. Welcome back. I hope you've been enjoying this course so far. In this next lecture, I'm just going to be showing you how to add how to add overlay in Capcut PC. It's super easy. Capcut PC App, this feature, you can add overlays, adding images or videos to the images and giving them life, which I'm going to show you in a later video, but I'm just going to show you in this one how to add. For instance, you want to add pictures. I think I have pictures of cool pets like this one. Yeah, so I'm just going to bring that in. Okay, so now we have that. We can click on it to bring it into our timeline. So we want it as an overlay, so we'll definitely want it up. Okay, like so. That's where we want it because it's going to be an overlay. As you can see, it's on the picture, but definitely it's blocking their face, and I don't want that. So what am I going to do? I'm going to go over to remover, and I'm just going to do auto remove. Okay. So now I auto remove the background, which is something I've showed you how to do in this image, in this course already. If you've not seen that, make sure you go back to watch that. And now you can adjust it and just move it to the side. Okay, just move it to the side like that. You can do this for logos. You can do this. I'm going to show you how to do it on different things, add the watermarks and the rest. It works same way with just little differences. And now if we play this video, we have it there. As you can see, it's changing along with the filters. So it's super easy to do. Let me do one more for you so that you see how easy it is to create. I'm just going to bring in another, or let's make it a video this time. Let's make it a video. All right, let me find, I have one. Okay. Let's bring in this video, for instance, and we are just going to put that in here again, and I'm going to click on that. All right, what to cut? I don't want it to be that long. I just need a little part of it, so I'll do my Control B and get this out by deleting this. So now I have this. Okay, so I want these two. I want them above this image like so. So this is where I want them to be. As you can see, the dog is already there. But for this one, I just want to get the colors out of it. I can reduce it and you'll see we have the dog and the lady under. So what I'll do with this one now is to do chroma key. I can remove background also, and it's going to take out the background. All right, it's going to take out the background for us of this image. But if that won't work, it's processing. As you can see, it might take some time, but trust me, it's going to take that out and it's going to process it for us to be able to view it and enjoy it. So I'm going to pause it while it processes it, and I'll get back so that this video is not super long for us. So we are back. It's almost done processing. It's about 98, 99. So you see, it has taken out the background. Now, if I move this lady just to the side here, you see she's happy. And if we go over and play this from the very beginning, you see we have this lady. She's happy. She's celebrating with the newlywed couples, as you can see. So it's super easy to just combine clips and make your editing look so much professionally done by just doing this simple trick. CapCut is very easy to understand and use. If you watch proper tutorials like this one, proper courses like this one, you'll be able to do it without much time wasted. I hope you enjoyed this overlay in CapCut PC, and we'll see you on the next one. Please stay safe.